Hello guys, good morning. November 1 here in the Philippines. My honey balm here in my neck. Today I'm gonna make my husband's favorite chicken. This is the ingredients: potato, carrots, bell pepper, white onions, green peas, liver spread, a little bit cheese, tomato paste, and tomato sauce, and chicken. This goes. That's my chicken. Fry time. Guys, every time I use tomato paste, I make it saute for the onions and some my vegetable like that. Guys, this is the one already my sauce of my chicken. Very important is I put liver spread, and then I put it back the chicken. Guys, I'm gonna show it to you. This is my husband's favorite. We're gonna cook that super slow, so until the meat is gonna get tender. It's chicken. Hello guys, and also I make my spaghetti sauce. It's my spaghetti sauce.